Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to have Snapchat dark mode. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, as you can see, now I have a light mode on my Snapchat, but how you can change to dark mode? Actually, you can try to go to your iPhone settings, then scroll down and find display and brightness, and then change from light to dark mode here. But actually, if you go back to the Snapchat application, it won't change anything, so you can refresh this page and it's still light mode, as you can see. So the only one way how you can get Snapchat dark mode is to click on your profile image button at the top left corner. Here it is. And then at the top right, click on the settings icon. Here it is. Then scroll down and find app appearance option. Here it is. And then click on the always dark right up here. As you can see, now I have dark mode. You can go back again. And then as you can see, now I have Snapchat dark mode. And that's all. And that's how you can have Snapchat dark mode. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.